Welcome to chemistry class students. 11th chemistry unit 1 basic concepts of chemistry and chemical calculations. Discuss about this topic. Chemistry, the science of life. Food to eat, cloth to wear, place to live. These are the three basic needs of human life. These are the very basic needs of human lives. Chemistry plays a major role providing these needs and also help us to improve the quality of life. Day-to-day life, the important role of chemistry in our life. Chemistry has produced many compounds such as fertilizers, insecticides, modern cement, concrete mixtures, steel, fabrics, medicines, etc. Even our body made up of chemical. Even our body is made up of chemicals. What are the chemicals of made up of our body means? Nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, calcium, phosphorus. These are the chemicals are made upon our human body. As chemistry plays an important role in our day-to-day life, it becomes essential to understand the basic principles of chemistry in order to address the mounting challenges in our developing country. Next topic, classification of matter. Matter means what? Matter is nothing but, look around your classrooms. What do you see? You might see your bench, table, blackboard, window, then chalk, windows everywhere. What are these things made of? They are all made of what? Matter. Okay. In your home occupies some things, TV, fridge, washing machine, cot, etc. These are the things are made of what? They are all made of matter. Matter is defined as anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter is nothing but that is occupies some space. In your classroom means blackboard occupies some space, table, bench, window. These are the things are occupy some space. Some things are occupy some space is called a matter. That is called matter is defined as anything that has mass and occupy space. Are you understand, student? These are the classification of matter. Next, we are going to discuss about classification of matter. Classification of matter is divided into two states. First one is physical state, another one is chemical state. Physical state is divided into three types. Already you know very well in your lower classes: solid, liquid, gas. Solid means ice, liquid means water, gas, vapor, water vapor. These are the physical states of matter. What are the chemical states of matter means? These are mixtures and two types, mixtures and pure substance. Mixtures means what? Mixtures means one or two phases. More than two phases is called the mixture. Only one metal element is called the pure substance. These the mixtures, and mixtures consist of more than one chemical entity present without any chemical interactions. Okay, that is further classified into homogeneous and heterogeneous. Next one, pure substance. Homogeneous and heterogeneous is classified and explained about the examples. Take one glass and add salt. Salt is a solute. Solvent is a water. Add salt and water and mix well. These are the only one phase. Salt fully mixed with the water. So this is the one phase. This is called the homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture, example for add one take one glass and add some sand and water. Sand is a solute, water is a solvent. Mix well to the sand into water. Sand is not mixed to the water. These are settled in down. So that part is called the solid phase and liquid phase. This glass have two phases. This is called the heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous means only one phase. Heterogeneous means more than two phase. Okay, are you understand? Next one, pure substance. Pure substance is divided into element and compound. Pure substance means what? These are simple atoms or molecules. Only one element is called element. More than one element is called the compound. Element is consists of only one type of atom. Okay. Compound is more than one element. Copper, sulfate. This is the compound, copper and sulfate. And carbon dioxide, CO2, hydrogen sulfide, H2S, sodium chloride, NaCl. These are the compound. This is the classification of matter. Are you understand? Thank you, students.
Yeah.